How to register an LLC in USA 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can register an LLC for yourself in the United States in 2025 in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, in previous times, as we know, LLCs were a hard job to get, okay? Especially in the United States. But obviously, now with the World Wide Web on our hands, you can easily go to websites like Freebase or even Firstbase that we're on right now. And on websites like these, you can simply create an LLC for yourself in the easiest way. So let me show you how you're going to do that. And obviously, if you want to use Firstbase for yourself and get some discounted offers, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. Now, once you go to the link, where it's going to take you is over here, where it says start your US company in minutes. So first it gives you the company structure. So do you want an LLC or a C corporation? Now, I want an LLC, so I'm going to choose that and click on continue. And from here, it's going to give us the registration state. So the registration states are Delaware and Wyoming. Now, for an LLC, I would definitely suggest you to go with Wyoming because it's the better state. And once you've gone with that, click on continue. Once you click on continue, click on go to payment. And from here, it's going to ask you to sign up where you're going to fill in some necessary forms and documents where you're going to give them your information. And once your documents are verified and your payment is processed, it will let you know that you now have a registered LLC in the United States in 2025. And that is how simple it is to get an LLC in the easiest way. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you want to use Firstbase for yourself with discounts, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. And that is all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.